Hi there, Stream with Pulpit Nation, and this is one of my very favorite ways to do a glove reveal. It'll look like this. Here is the breakdown. Now, this one you have to make sure you practice, and you definitely have to set yourself up for success, because you miss it, you miss it. So let's definitely set yourself up for success. So make sure that you have a space at the end of your gloves for your fingertips. Absolutely, for sure. So you're gonna make sure that you prep it ahead of time to bring that little space at the end of your gloves. Also, we're gonna do the presentation. So we'll do a little presentation with the arms. Wonderful. You can use your fingers to do a little pop, just to make sure that you have space at the end of your gloves. You can obviously use your teeth if you want to as well. Here we go. We're gonna take the leg that's closest to the audience. This is your presentation leg. We're gonna slide the hand down. So I push my hip out, I slide the hand down, I take the front of my shoe, I find that spot on my finger. See how I kind of missed it there? So I'm gonna go back, make sure, and then slide up and do a little pop at the end. So make sure, do a little pop. Make sure that you have a lot of space at the end of your gloves, because you're gonna put all the fingers underneath and hopefully one of them's gonna catch. Let's try this side. So I'm gonna do a little slide across. There's my presentation. I'm gonna do a little pop, 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 pop. Front leg. So I do my presentation leg, push my hip out, have the attitude, slide the hand down, bring it to the front of my shoe, and then slide back up. And do a little pop at the end. That one's one of my favorite ones. That's a lot of fun.